Hey, welcome back. Thanks again for clicking. Thanks again for watching. For all of you that are new to the channel, why don't you click on the prior videos and get caught up, see where we are with the build. If you want to click and subscribe, hit that bell right next to the subscribe button so you guys can follow anytime I put up some new content. And for everybody that's been leaving comments, I really appreciate it. I try and answer back as soon as I can. Here we go. I wasn't really in the neighborhood to buy this just yet. I was actually trying to buy some more parts, more bolt-ons, to be honest with you. It just came up. I mean, it was a come up. And you know, when you get a come up, you have to act on it. Came up on these bad boys. Came up on some ADVAN RZ-IIs for super cheap. And when I mean super cheap, I don't think anybody could get them for this price. Yes, they're used. Yes, they have a little bit of curb rash, nothing that, you know, a qualified rim repair shop can't fix for us. You know, just minor curb rash. I thought this was a great deal. Yes, they need new tires. Going to have someone fix this for me, and I'm contemplating about getting these either powder coated in gloss black or flat black. I really like the look of the Type R with black rims on the white. I think the contrast looks pretty cool, looks pretty sleek. So I might continue that. If I get a chance, if I get a good price on it, I'm gonna do it. But as of right now, we're gonna get that repaired. We're gonna get some lug nuts, get some new tires, and we're gonna slap them on the R. I told you we ain't sleeping for 2020. But right now, there's just a quick little come up. I was really happy that I came up on it. But shortly we'll get all this on. This is gonna be on fairly soon. I already got a plug. We're gonna work on it. We'll see what happens. Stay with us, keep subscribing. For all of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell sign next to it so if you wanna keep following the build. And if you are new to the channel, do me a favor, watch the other videos. Get caught up. If you have any questions, hit me up. Plenty of you have been asking questions, and I try and answer as best I can. Again, I'm no professional, but I do have a lot of friends that I've met so far, and they can help us out if we ever need some info. Right now, we're on our way to Nitrous Garage. They're over here in Pomona, California. You can look them up. If not, I'll put a description down below. But yeah, we're on our way down there to go check out what they can help us out with getting the right fitment for the rims that I bought. Again, I got some 19-inch ADVAN RZ-IIs. They have a plus 35 offset. They're by 9.5. I know I said that all out of order. Well, but we're gonna go see what's up. Right now, currently on the rims that you see back here, and as you see that guy, it has Falcon 235, no, I'm lying, 245 35 Z19. So I'm trying to find out what's a good fit. I've been told, you know, 255, 265. I don't know. That's what we're gonna go find out. We're gonna see what's the best fit for the car. Hopefully we can come up on a good deal and we can get these tires ordered and mounted and see what's up. But anyway, here we go, folks. Stick around. All right, here we are over at Nitrous Garage. We're gonna do a test fit and see what works for the car, and we're gonna take it from there. Guys here seem pretty chill. I don't know if I'll be able to, again, to record. It seems like I can't get any breaks with recording so you guys could see. But we're gonna do our best, see what's up. Okay, so here we are in the initial fit. Ooh, she's looking clean with these rims, but I am not digging the tires. Look how small they look. Almost looks like the rim is protruding more than the tire. And I don't know if that's right or not, but we're gonna keep messing around here. Now this offset here is like a 245 35. We're gonna go with the 255, and we're even gonna try a 265 and see what we can get away with on this setup. Now remember, again, I am rocking a Spoon Sport setup, so some of the other lowering springs like Swift and Ibach might be a little lower, so you might have issues. I'm trying not to rub nor roll any fenders. Okay, so that's a 2 Looks way better than the 245 setup, which still looks kind of small. We're trying to find a 265 to see how it looks. But I think so far, 255 is the leader in the clubhouse. All right, fam. We're all set here at Nitrous Garage. We're back to stocks, which is an unfortunate thing because low-key, I was almost thinking about just putting on some used tires and rolling out while we settle in on the tired scenario. But they're gonna go ahead and take care of the curb rash. They're gonna take care of it. They said it takes about a day or two to handle that. The tire sizing, I'm still gonna do a little bit more research. We kind of settled in on a 255/35 tire or a 265, I believe. Yeah, 265/30. Now they didn't have that exact rim. I keep saying rim, you know, I'm new to this, guys, just be patient. We're gonna wait on some pricing. They're gonna provide me on the type of tires that I wanted to go with. I'm thinking about a Firestone Indy 500. I'm also thinking about a Michelin PS4, and if they give me a really good deal on it, I'm thinking about an ADVAN RZ-II, which is nice tire. But we'll see what's up. We'll see what we can do. They're gonna fix the curb rash, and we're gonna move on. Stick with me, be patient. Whoa, what was that? Rome was not built in a day. Neither is this car. We're taking our time with the build. FYI for all of you FK8 owners, there's a lot of people trying to make moves on the 2020 Type R. They are selling their parts in gangbusters. So if you're interested in used parts, I mean, why not? I mean, a downpipe's a downpipe, charge pipe's a charge pipe. Other than that, there are some advantages to picking up a couple used parts. Like I said, we picked up that rear wing. That rear deck lid wing is a Cybon wing. And again, I picked that up for $200. I mean, the wing alone is 500 plus. You know, you may come up on some deals. Be smart with your money. Again, nobody's judging you on what you do or what you're gonna get. It's your car anyway. You do what you like. Do you.
Eventually.
We're back here at Nitrous Garage. We're here to pick up the rims. Now, for time's constraints, I'm not even gonna BS you. I couldn't record anything just because they're in a rush. I had to come here right after work. They were actually waiting for me to pick everything up. But we did get some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's on there. Should be a great tire. I did not get brand new tires. These tires are super duper expensive. I mean, we're talking about $230 something a tire. I chose to go with the used tire, but as you can see, these tires are still good, plenty of tread on them. And if you're gonna go ahead and notice that this tread is different than this, 3 of the tires are Pilot Sport 4S's, I believe, and the other one is just like a regular Pilot Sport. I mean, we'll see how it rolls out. I'm only getting these wheels so I could test, make sure that there's no grinding. I just say grinding? No rubbing issues in the car. I don't want to really roll the fenders or take any kind of fender liners out. So I got these on a trial basis. You don't always have to go brand new. You don't have to dump all your extra cash into a tire. You can go used, feel it out, see if you like it, and then come back and get another set. And especially the guys here at Nitrous Garage, they'll help you out. They test fit tires for me. I spent about an hour trying out tires. You know, then I came to that realization that maybe I just wanted to go with something used for right now so I could feel it out, you know? We're gonna go ahead and install the rims onto the Type R. You're gonna need a 22 deep socket because these are torqued to about 95 pounds of torque. So they're gonna be quite tough if you have a breaker bar. Otherwise, good luck with that little star thingy. Now we're here in the lab. We are getting the car all jacked up. Remember, you want to loosen the nuts before you jack up the car. Makes it real easy because you don't want to be breaking the lug nuts while the car's up. Might be a little dangerous. Got, again, trusty assistant taking care of the placement of the jack here. We're gonna swap those out for this, see how it looks. Little look of the suspension. I installed these extra little rubber pieces that Spoon provides. Well, actually they don't provide nothing. They charge you for it. But I went ahead and opted for it. So when the car really compresses down, it doesn't make that squeaky noise that sometimes cars get from their springs. These are extra. I suggest you get them for peace of mind. So go ahead and slide on the rims right now. Let's see if Assistant Maury can handle this. Again, this is what happens when you hire free labor. Now, you don't want to use your stock nuts because they won't work with this type of rim. Always make sure that you check the type of nuts that you're going to want to go with. We went ahead and got these Project Kicks monoliths. Maybe it will deter somebody from trying to touch my stuff. Who knows? We'll find out. Remember, this is a 5-lug, so you want to do star pattern. All right, well, here's it is. Hopefully the fitment on the tires is clean. As you can tell, it's slightly aggressive stance on this car. Way better than the stock look. These are once again 19 by 9.5 plus 35 offset. I'm running a 265, oh actually sorry, a 255. 255, 35, 19-inch rim and tire on this deal. So all right, we're gonna go give it a test drive. Hopefully we have no fitment rubbing issues. Stay tuned. All right, so we're back from the test drive. And I must say the car is looking clean. The rim offset looks amazing. Now, if you can't tell in my voice, I'm not super duper ecstatic because the car did rub a tiny bit. Let me show you where. So we had a little bit of rubbing right there. Right here, you can see it. Just that little bit rubbed. But enough times we'll eat through this liner. And then, I don't want that. And then on the rear, same thing. We got a little bit of rubbing right in that area. So if you see my finger, this little area right here, the rim, actually the tire rubbed slightly. I was more worried about it rubbing on this inside part, and it doesn't, but it does rub right here. And it did that on all 4 sides. But damn, she is looking saucy, my friends. The offset looks super sick. The car does look way better. Excuse the fingers in the way. I know I'm all over the place here, but I'm trying to show you different angles of how the car sits now. It does sit a little lower, which I am digging, but on the bad side, it is rubbing a bit. I am gonna look into maybe getting some camber plates. I know iBox sells some. We might go with them. I don't know, gotta look into that. But again, this concludes the install, everybody. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for tuning in. I told you, we keep moving forward with this bad boy. Now that we got rims, we're gonna go see what's up in the canyon, see how much rubbing we get actually. But we just did a little bit of street driving and we were rubbing. So you can't have it all, I guess. Anyway, thanks again for watching, everyone. Thanks again for following us. I really appreciate it. For all the people that have been subscribing lately and commenting, I really appreciate that. Hit us up on the next one.